Can you imagine? My husband and my son want the same gift. My son want a PlayStation 5 for Christmas, and my husband just want a PlayStation 5 because he's a game head. Jeez. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, the Parchment Fam. And as you can see, I am on the road. I'm going on the road, and it's me and the little one. I have her 2-year annual checkup, her doctor's appointment. So I'm taking her to the appointment, and I am running terribly late, guys. It is now 11:11 and the appointment is 11:15. But thank God I live close by. The the doctor office, but not 4 minutes away. I'm gonna drive like mad somebody for reach. I can't drive like mad somebody just reach on doctor's appointment with me picking in a car, no sir. But I'm supposed to can reach there now. Maybe 5 minutes? I don't know. No sir. It's 11:12 now. I hope all of the light them the pan green. One already the pan green, so that's good. The beauty about it is that once we reach, then me I go text them. I go wait outside in the car, so I guess that I'll buy me a little time to make it seem like we reach early. But I thought I'm supposed to, if me reach our red light, me text them and say here. Because if we text them and say here, and then them I'll give you instructions on what to do. But me know the far still, me know the far. Me always are late. You know Jamaicans always late. Them never go nowhere on time yet. If Jamaicans have a start, them keep something, and then tell us it starts 7 o'clock. Listen, at 9 o'clock it don't start yet. As a matter of fact, if you keep something and you want and be a Jamaican go, and you want them to reach on time, you see if it starts 7 o'clock, tell them say 5 o'clock it start. Tell them say 5 o'clock it start. When you tell them say 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock they might reach. Oh gosh, I true though. Jamaicans have no time. Me always late. When me at work, me say me always a rush regard work when me used to work outside. When me used to work, me always a rush regard work. Always. Me don't know why. And I had a lot of time. Can me get the baby ready for about 10:30. She ready. And then me did a fool run on my phone. And then now, see? 1 minute me have left back for Jesus. But then give a little bit of time over for reach still. They not really. And I like say you have to reach exactly time. But you know. Yeah. Anyways, yes. Me left on my way. Nene, say hi. So you say hi? No, I guess not. So guys, it is 11:15 now. So you know it's officially my appointment time. And I am still maybe 3 minutes away. With if them lights here go on green, then we can maybe reach there in a minute. But them are ready right about now. Yes, that one I just changed to green. Hopefully by the time we reach down to the other one, because the 2 lights may come up on right now. So, and plus a couple more before we reach there. So if them change, then we can maybe by 11:18 we reach. Let's see. I will let you know when we reach. So I'm right about there and I miss my turning arrow. But I'm gonna make it on the green. If people would only drive up, man. Them see people are just stand. Yeah, come drive up. Almost there, people. Almost there. Almost. Yes, so almost there. I know, and it's 11:18. See, about 3 minutes out. About 3 minutes out, so not bad, not bad. I make it in time. Alright, thank God. Alright, so alright guys, so I'm gonna reach now. I'm gonna message them, make them know some day here. So I just message them a while ago, guys, and I wait on them. Because of the whole COVID thing, you don't go in and sit down and wait. You know, you just wait. You wait in your car until them call you out. So now I'm waiting on them. Hi, Mama. You say hi? No? Yes, so I'm waiting now. So I'm going to check back in with you guys. So then just send me a message and tell me if you're waiting at the car until a nurse is available to take my temperature. Yes, the good thing is sun not hot. Because one time I go to the dentist and the sun is hot, I'm sitting out in the car in a hot sun and I never turn on the AC, I'm going to my temperature is high. So they had to say me go wash my face. Oh gosh. But yeah, I'm there wait upon them. She turned 2 now, you know, so normally them require mask for kids 2 and older, but she still look like a baby, so moreover she now keep on that the mask is, I think she gonna wear that, but we'll see. I'm here. Okay, jeez, I didn't come here. All right guys, so it's time to go in now, so I take her out of the car. So she start a little time, I just come out of the car to come around up here side. So I'm going to go inside now. Alright guys, so we are waiting now. You see she's crying. She's a scaredy cat. Yeah, so we're just waiting on the doctor. She was shaking a while ago. She was shaking. They prick her finger. They normally test their blood for lead and their iron and stuff like that, you know. All the good stuff. But she was shaking. The lady turned off the light to test her eyes, and she was shaking like you know when you're cold. It was the first I saw her like that. You're scared, Mama? It's okay. So now we're just waiting on the doctor. All right, guys. So she just saw the nurse practitioner, and so a couple of things. She's gonna get me a referral for an eye doctor because they say she have what is called an astigmatism, which is just that one of her eyes is not perfectly round, so you're just gonna get it checked out to make sure that everything is okay, and then she gotta get 2 shots. Yes, so we're waiting on those, and then we're done for the day anyway. Head out, right? She hates the doctor. You hate the doctor, Mama? Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Alright guys, so we are just all about this. We are leaving now. She got her vaccine, her shots, 2 of them, and that's it. You're laughing. You're laughing. She was just crying. She's a trooper. All of my kids are troopers. Like when they get vaccines, they only cry for the initial shot, and then and then that's it. It's just pure smiles after that, right? I'm gonna strap her right now, and then off we go. Peppa Pig. You sing Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig. No? Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave the doctor office now, and I'm gonna go to Macy's because today's my husband's birthday. Yes, it's a very special day. It's his birthday. You know, she was born exactly a week from his birthday, so she's like his little birthday gift. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over Macy's and pick up his gift. I ordered it this morning because I didn't know what to get him. What do you get the person that doesn't need anything? They have everything they want already. So it's like I didn't know what to get him, and then this morning I'm like, you know what, he needs a new wallet, because the one that he have, it get all dirty and what you call it, dusty, because of the work that he does. So yeah, he could still use that and carry it to work, but I'm gonna get him another one, a new one, so he can have that to go out, you know, something fancy and new. So I ordered it this morning and I'm gonna go pick it up. Right now it's already ready for pickup. So as a matter of fact, I'm doing drive up because I have her and I'm not gonna take her inside. So I'm just gonna go head over there now. The mall is actually right beside, not exactly right beside the doctor office, but it's very close by. So I'm heading there right now to pick it up. He doesn't have a clue that I'm getting him something. He's probably think that I'm not gonna get him anything because he don't want anything. Actually, what he really want, should I go to say not sure, what he really want is a PlayStation 5. Yeah, it's a PlayStation 5, but that not gonna happen. He already have a PlayStation 4, so I'm not needing a PlayStation 5. Plus it's sold out every single way. Everywhere it's sold out. Can you imagine? My husband and my son want the same gift. My son want a PlayStation 5 for Christmas, and my husband just want a PlayStation 5 because he's a game head. I guess I him my son get it from. So but yeah, that's sold out everywhere. People are pop fight over it in a Walmart. People are pop big fight over it. So that not gonna happen. Me go Macy's right now, go pick up him gift. Alright, backside. Alright, so me up on the mall, you know, over the mall, and JC Penny there. Going around to Macy's side. Yes. Alright. Walk up, people, walk up. The theater. I've never been to that theater. I'm not a theater person. You sleep, mama? No? Alright. Going up to Macy's, you know. So there is Macy's over there. Oh Jesus, thank you. Going around the other side where they have the other pickup. Jesus, oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, so lonely, meek and mild. New life, new hope, new joy brings. Won't you listen? I'm gonna have to go in here, so I'll come back home because other pickup is right over there. So to the angels sing, glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. Whoa, the mall full up. The mall, jeez, full up. I can't swing right there. So I'm there. No, but Jesus. Oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, my Jesus, so lonely, meek and mild. New life, new hope, new joy brings. Won't you listen to the angels sing? Glory. All right, pick up right there. So, well, that's not the part. So they're not supposed to part there. Pop the trunk. All right. So see it other pick up. So I'm gonna message them now to make them know somebody here. All right, guys. So I'm still here waiting. I already checked, and so I'm just waiting on them to come out now for curbside pickup. Yeah, me there waiting. Also, holiday season and time busy, so can't be too impatient, you know, because at least we can sit down in my car and wait. We don't have to go stand up in a line, fussy with the baby or anything like that. So yeah, wait upon them. Alright guys, so me just get through. It's almost an hour me there here. At one point I had to call them. One day them forget about me. Because I see them bring out other people's stuff. And them still never have something in my own, so them just come out while ago. I understand say, you know, it's the holiday and it's really busy. I mean, I've used curbside pickup before and it's really quick. I understand say really busy, but I feel like they probably had messed up the order or something like that. I think that's what happened because why? I don't know. Yeah, I think that's what happened. So them come and them apologize. Them say they have long line in there, which me understand. You know what? The week of Christmas is very crazy. So see, baby, I'll drop asleep. But yeah, if me never have a baby, I'm gonna go inside and get it, and I'm gonna go inside and buy it. And I don't have time for that, but I true me have her and me now bring her inside there, you know. So yeah, let me way I go home, you know. I get put in our little gift bag. Yes, and then you guys will see when I give it to him. Alright, so later. Alright, so doesn't it look so nice and luxurious? I'm gonna put it in this bag here. Yes, so there it goes. Alright, so it's ready now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go up now and give it to him. So I'm home now, guys. And I'm going to give him his gift. So let's see. Let's see his reaction. Open it. Janaea, let's go.
Don't say anything.
Go.
Hi.
Go.
Hi. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday. Mama got you a gift.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Imagine if he opens it and there's $1 million from the bank. Daddy. Like he said he wanted yesterday. It kind of does look like money. Is it a game? What is it?
Only just knows this so.
What is it? Wait, what? What is it? What is it? What is inside? No. There's a wallet in there? There's a wallet in there.
I got you a new one to replace yours.
Huh?
It's so old.
What? Is it?
Can you imagine if there was like $1 million in there?
Yeah, that's what I said.
The same thing like you down and it about a black or a different one.
Different.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Huh? What if there was like $1 million in there?
Daddy said he wanted $20 million yesterday. Now it's like, is there $20 in there? Is there $20 million in there? I was good, but I got so confused.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Daddy.
Now sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Daddy.
Hello?
Happy
Hola.
birthday.
Hola. What's your name? What's big face? What's she say hi? So, how was your birthday?
Come on, gone quick.
No.
Jimmy.
You
Birthday run out fast.
enjoy your birthday?
This me get relaxed a little bit, Jimmy. Allow me soon have it gone again. Jimmy, hide them.
What did you do for your birthday?
We just relax, that's all we did need, that's some relaxation, you see me? And a nice plate of food. I'm good. Not more than that.
Yeah, and you get your birthday special food.
You don't need nothing much, you know. Just some relaxation. I'm alright. So, eat that another birthday come and gone. That's it.
Yes, old age. Don't it?
Yep.
Yeah, get old.
We have to get old.
Right. And then mind your head. So, eat that. For another.
So, time I wind down, you know, we got bed, you know.
That's all in do people at night time I watch it time. That's all in do I watch it time.
Yeah, people, so you go.
Yes. What you have to say before we go?
I say what I have to say already. I
know what to say. Alright, so that's it
Tell
for...
them what you have to say.
I know if you said and that's it. Thank you for sticking along throughout this day with me. Us, mostly me. Yes, so that's another vlog. We don't mess up vlogmas already, you know, so I'm not even say vlogmas.
Yeah, we do P-side, you know, the light.
Almost Christmas and vlogmas mess up, so it's just whenever you get a vlog, you get a vlog. How are you, Joe? So
that, you know.
that's a wrap. But thank you for watching. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Yes, don't forget to turn on the notification bell when you hit the subscribe button, people. Yeah, so you can get notified every time we have goodness up on our channel. And for those of you who have been subscribed a long time and watch all of our videos, thank you so much. Yes, family. Alright. Peace out. Peace out. Good night.